Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing the pow pow, definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. And so for today, I have my weekend haul. Now, as far as Ibotta, I need 10 offers for $5. That's pretty easy, and I honestly feel like I haven't gotten that bonus in a long time. I did do 5 of them yesterday, so I only have 5 today to complete that. But for the larger bonus, I only need 16, so I'm super close. I didn't think that I would even hit it, but we're gonna see if we can make that work. I don't know how lucky I'll be to get 16 offers today. That being said, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl, I need to keep on watching. This first deal is on the Starry. I did share this OTC coupon in my last video. It was in the description box. I'll pop it in the description of this one too. I'm not even sure if it's still available. I hope that it is though. But I haven't tried it yet. This is my first time, and I heard there's been issues with it. They normally stack, but doesn't seem like they're stacking right now. So I'm just gonna grab one. I'm gonna go check out really quick. And hopefully it works, but they are priced at $2.38. You're gonna scan the OTC coupon for payment. You should pay nothing for this, making this absolutely free. I was trying to find the sugar-free one, but all right, so as you can see, it did work. I only did one. And so it took off $2.56. So yeah. First deal, I saw My Best Deals here on YouTube. I'll pop up her channel. Post this, I think it was a short. I don't remember if it was a short or if it was a community post. So Isle is doing this promotion on Fridays where they're giving you $5 off of select ice cream. And this is on Ibotta as well. So we're gonna grab one at $5.36. We'll be sending our receipt to Isle. Hopefully I get it. And then 75 cents on Ibotta would make this a 39-cent money maker. Next up is the Bloom Pop. I meant to get this in my last video, but I totally forgot. So this popped up as a BOGO offer on Isle. Their price is They're priced at $2.38. We're gonna grab 2 of them. We'll pay $4.76, getting back $2.38 on Isle, and then there's also 50 cents for each on Ibotta. Brings them down to 69 cents. So this deal here is on the Sprite Chill Cherry Lime. I'm not gonna be doing this deal. Can you believe that a 12-pack is $8? Well, this one is probably because it's like a specialty flavor. But remember when we can get these for like 4 for 10, 3 for 10? I cannot believe that they're so expensive, but when I grab a total of 3 of them, you'll end up paying $24.36. You'll get back $2 for each of them on Ibotta. There's also 3 on Checkout 51 for buying 3, and 3 on Swagbucks for buying 3. It would make it $12.36 for 3, or only $4.12 per pack, which is definitely not bad. I mean, that's half off, right? However, I'm not gonna be doing this deal. So yeah. In the comments, would you? For $15. Apparently a lot of people did. Me personally, I probably would. But in the comments, would you do it? All right, next up is the Rachel Ray Nourish cat food. They're priced at $114. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll end up paying $2.28, getting back $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta. Makes them 64 cents each. I just gave all of the cat food that I had to my niece because she has a cat, and so I'm gonna start stocking up slowly for her. All right, so next up is the Purina Benefol. Gonna be grabbing this deal again. They are priced at, I hope you cannot hear him in the background. I don't know why he's so loud. I don't know why he's so loud, but hopefully I've muted the background and you can't even hear him. And so we're gonna grab this deal again on the Purina Benefol. They are priced at $2.48. I can't even concentrate right now how loud he is. I'm sorry, y'all. They're priced at $2.48. We're gonna grab 2 of them. We'll pay $4.96, getting back $2.48 on Ibotta. We'll make them $1.24. So I'm gonna be grabbing the dial again. It's on rollback for $2. I'll be using this dollar hang tag right here. You'll end up paying $1, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 50 cents. Definitely check this area because there's a lot of little soaps on clearance. Like these are. Is it this one? Oh, that's the Dove. For $2.75 and $3.50. Method is on clearance or marked down. The refill bottle was $6. What else over here? And then Myers is also on clearance as well. And so yeah, definitely check this area. This blueberry scent is 75 cents. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the Shea Moisture. And I was watching Saving with Kay, and she pointed out that this was on clearance, this particular one right here, the Daily Hydration one. It's priced at $7.50. You want to grab one of those. I thought I still had a hang tag that was good, but it expired in May. So we'll be grabbing one at $7.50. Getting back for one I bought will make that $3.50. Now there is a threshold offer on Fetch Reward. I believe it's spend 20, get back 4. I also grabbed 2 of the bars, priced at $5.98. I grabbed the black bar, so I ended up paying $11.96, and then I got back $3 for each on Ibotta. I also hit a bonus of $4 back for spending 20 on Fetch, plus $1.50 for each, so $7 back on Fetch makes them both free, plus $1.04 moneymaker. Now, if I grab one of the daily hydrations and another bar, I might be able to hit a bonus again. If that's the case, then would bring it down to $2.48 for both items, which is definitely not bad. Next up is the Swagbucks. I hope I said that right. Keratin color hair dye. So certain ones are $11.97 for this. You could grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $23.94. You'll get back $3 for each on Ibotta, $3 for each on Checkout 51, and $10 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. Makes them 97 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. Now, I did find this one here for $8.98. I'll pay $20.95 out of pocket, getting back 6 on Ibotta, 6 on Checkout 51, and 10 on Swagbucks, making them both free plus $1.05 moneymaker. Alright, so this next deal is on the Advil liquid gels. I did get this deal from Saving with Kay. They're priced a little bit more here. I'm going to be grabbing 2 of the Advil liquid gels priced at $5. You'll end up paying $10, getting back 6 on Swagbucks, makes them only $2 each. All right, next up is the Tums. I'm finally getting around to doing this deal. They are priced at $6. We're going to grab one of the 32 counts. That total is going to come to 12 even. We'll get back a total of $2.50 on Checkout 51. We'll also get back 6 for 2 on Swagbucks, and then $2 on Fetch Reward, making them 75 cents each. Now, there is a rebate. I got that from Saving with Kay. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab 4 of the Tums. We'll grab 2 of the Advil. The total for all 6 products is going to come to $34. We'll get back $125 for each of the Tums on Checkout 51. We'll get back a total of $18 on Swagbucks. That's 12 for Tums, 6 for Advil, and then $4 on Fetch for the Tums. And then last but not least, we'll get back that $10 rebate, making this all a $3 moneymaker. I'm going to go ahead and grab the Bactine Max again. It's on the antibiotic and max pain relief. It's priced at $5.47, grabbing 2 of them. That's what it's going to come to $10.94. I'll be using one of these $3 off of 2 hang tags that were on these right here. That's going to bring your total down to $7.94. We'll get back $2.49 for each on Ibotta. There's also offers on Fetch Reward. I've already done that already. But for me, it'll make it 90 cents each. So we're over here on the kids aisle again. A lot of stuff is on clearance for relatively cheap. That Advil up there is only $1.50. The Mommy Bliss didn't work for Ibotta. It's $2.50. This one is $5.68, $5. I'm gonna grab this one right here, the Zarbee's. It's working for a $2 offer on Ibotta. It's only $2.50, limit of 2. So I'm gonna grab one of these. I'm getting back $2. Anything else that would work on Ibotta. $6.48, $2, $7, $6.50. Yeah, so definitely check this area. And so yeah. All right, so the last couple deals is going to be on the A&D. The Treat and Heal Cream is priced at $5.74, getting back $2.74 on Ibotta plus 2 on Fetch would make that $1. The Overnight Healing is $6.78, getting back $3.24 on Ibotta, 2 on Fetch would make that $1.54. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I did hit my big bonus. I was 3 short when I left Walmart, and I was just gonna go and do something tomorrow, but I was just like, I'll just go to Target because I had to go to Aldi, and Aldi's like literally right there by Target. And so I went back to Target and did the notebooks again. They are on sale for $2.99, $1.75 back on Ibotta. The one that I got yesterday, that was a 75-cent bonus that I got. The ones today was just the $1.75. And I was tempted to do the watermelon water again. Those are $2.84. Getting back $2 on Ibotta, they'd be 84 cents. But I was like, I could literally drink that in like 2 seconds. But you know how long I would have this notepad? I mean, I don't know if that made sense. It probably didn't make sense. It made sense to me at the time in my head. But I figured the pads would last longer, so that's why I got the notepads. The Shea Moisture, the soap. So yesterday I got 2. Today I got 1. I should have got 2 today because I was literally $4 and some change away from getting back the $4. So I'll be getting that tomorrow. And then I'll get back the extra 4. Hopefully it resets on Ibotta. If not, we'll do Walmart rewards. And then I'll get back, I'll pay $5.98. I'll get back 7, which will be really cool. I did get credit for the ice cream. I was a little nervous because it's the first 500 people. And I was like, what if I'm 501? Then what? I didn't bought it already. It's already at home. And it's hot. It's like gazillion degrees outside. By the time I get it home, it's already melted and I got to drive it back. I wouldn't drive it back. Let me just be honest. I would smash them. Straight up. I wanted to try the Omni-Free and see if it would work for both offers on, what was it on? I think it was on Tada. I only got 1, but it still made it a good deal because I got back 4 on Tada, 4 on Checkout 51, and 3 on Fetch Reward. So that was an awesome deal. Other than that, here's all my receipts for today. And so everything you see here retails $139.46. This is $140. Can you believe that? This is $140. Really? We had $6.14 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $133.32. That's crazy. Ibotta, we're getting back $55.70. Easy Bucks is $28. Checkout 51 was $15. Aisle is $10.72. Fetch Reward $10.02. The Haleon Huddle, which was for the Tums and the Advil, $10. PayPal, we cashed out $8.96, which is really cool. Tada is $4, getting back a total of $142.40. Makes everything you see here free plus a $9.08 moneymaker. So we didn't make quite as much as we have been lately, but this is still an awesome deal. I will not complain. With that being said, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you. Our emoji is a rainbow. Let's see some rainbows in the comments if you make it to the end. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.